This is parliamentary dictation at the speed of 60 words per minute. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. Crores of rupees have been spent. I would like to know about the progress of their dam project. Work is going on at a very low pace. I am saying this because the government is not taking the parliament into confidence in any matter, whether it is about the progress made in the dam project or the employment problem. Had it been done, it would have proved fruitful. Para. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to submit that the economy of Punjab has been shattered due to the cult terrorism in the state there. The rice mills, woolen mills and spinning mills have stopped working because of abduction, and killings have become a regular feature. It has become impossible for the people to continue their normal work. One more trend has also developed during the last few days. The goods carrier trucks coming from other parts of the country are vanishing in the state. So far I know 27 such trucks have been missing during the last 5 to 6 months. I would like the government to order a central bureau of investigation inquiry into these incidents, because if the same trend persists, nobody will send his goods there. I would like the government to make a statement in this regard. I would like to repeat what I said earlier, that kidnapping incidents are fast increasing not only in Punjab but also in Delhi and other parts of the country. Recently, a foreign ambassador was abducted from the city and was kept in a government colony for 3-4 days. Then he was taken to Punjab under cover via Haryana. You are the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, and I am saying this on the floor of the House. Please contradict my statement if you can when the Honorable Home Minister is present in the House. Their government is not able to nab the culprits. I would not like to say anything about the state of affairs in Delhi in view of the meeting that has been convened for this evening. If government did not take steps to stop kidnapping incidents in Punjab and win the confidence of people, I am afraid people will start migrating from the state when the life and property of people will not be secure, then automatically they will start migrating, and it will prove disastrous not only for Punjab but also for the whole country. Stop.